Hello, in this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through settings on Samsung Galaxy F06. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then you have to scroll down and click on General Management. Now scroll down again and click on Reset, and then scroll down and click on Factory Data Reset. Now scroll down again and click on Reset and click Delete All. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings, and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.